Alright, so here's my picture all finished, and what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a fresh, clean piece of paper, either in your art journal or just a regular piece of paper, and you're going to draw a line in the middle. And I'm using the side of a box markers to draw my line, or you can just draw your line. Then draw a line down the middle of that, dividing that in half again. Draw a line on the other side, dividing the other half, like that. And then I'm just going to fold my paper in half to create those 8 squares. Alright, so I did use the side of a box markers to be precise. You don't have to be that precise, just 8 squares is fine. Now I'm going to go in super duper fast forward mode. I'm going 20 times faster than normal speed. But what I want you to do is I want you to draw a dot in the middle and then draw circles around that dot, filling the space of each one of the rectangles that you created. What Kandinsky liked to do is he liked to experiment with all of the different colors that he had to see what colors looked like right next to each other, and it made this beautiful abstract art. So this is a chance for you to play with the colors in your crayon box and use all of the colors that you have ever wanted to use in your crayon box by drawing circles around circles. So you should have at least 2 circles inside of each one of your squares. I have 4 circles in every single one of my squares. If you wanted more than 4 circles or less than 4 circles, that's okay, as long as you have at least a circle in the middle and a circle around that middle dot. Okay, so this is a lot like the dot project too, where we are creating these dots and then circles around each one of the dots, just experimenting with each color and how those colors look next to each other. Alright, I'm going to finish up so that you can see what it looks like when I'm all colored in. And remember, we want to color in every single square neatly and completely.